Hello, welcome back. Today's hair tutorial is a simple French braid. Begin by sectioning the hair off at your crown, then divide it into 3 equal pieces. Now cross your right piece over your middle from your right hand to your left hand, and then cross your left piece over the middle into your right hand. To add hair, trace a small section of hair from your part to your right piece and join them together. Then cross it over the middle from your right hand to your left, untangling your ends as you go. Repeat on the left side by tracing a small section of hair, joining it together, and then crossing it over the middle. Keep adding small sections of hair to your outside pieces as you braid. I did a total of 3 for a soft look. Once you've reached your neck and gathered all of your hair, just continue 3-strand braiding and use a hair elastic to secure. Soften the style by gently pulling on the sides and the crown, and smooth away the frizz with a bit of oil and hairspray. French braids can be tricky at first, but I hope I was able to help. Thank you so much for watching.